How to fix an app not installed as package conflicts with an existing package Minecraft. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix an app not installed as the package conflicts with an existing package Minecraft. First, download the APK you want to install from a trusted source such as this link. Next, if you have the conflicting app already installed, you will need to uninstall it. When prompted with "Do you want to uninstall this app?" choose Yes. You may see an option to keep the app data. This is usually irrelevant, so you can select to keep it if you prefer. After uninstalling, go ahead and install the new APK. If you encounter the message, "App not installed as package conflicts with an existing package," it likely means there are still some conflicting data. To resolve this, ensure that all previous versions of the app are completely removed from your device. You may need to check for hidden files or cache associated with the app. After clearing any conflicts, try reinstalling the APK again.